Welcome. In this short video, we'd like to introduce you to our utility for creating the XML file for your certified payroll reports that's being required by a number of states. We have a utility that works for version 19 or earlier. However, that version is set up to use only the AASHTO spec, so won't work in the California market. The utility we will be looking at here is designed for the SQL version 20 or higher, of Sage 100 Contractor. It will produce the XML file for the California market or the AASHTO spec used by most other states. It also has an option to export your payroll to an LCP Tracker workbook. The installer is pretty self-explanatory as it installs the product. Pay attention to the README file at the end of the installation. We have provided all the information needed to configure Sage 100 Contractor in the help in the XML Payroll Generator utility. If you acquire our utility, please be sure to follow the instructions in our help file completely and accurately to avoid a support call charge. Everything is spelled out there for you. So, let's take a look at how it works. After you launch the program, you may log into your SQL Server either using Windows Authentication, which is the default, or using SQL Authentication by simply removing the check from the checkbox and entering your SQL login credentials, which would be your username and password. Then simply select the SQL instance you are using and the Sage 100 Contractor company desired. Then choose the beginning of your pay period. You can enter it directly, or you can click on the calendar, which will enable you to browse the year, the month, and the day you desire. Make your selection and you'll see the ending period will automatically calculate for you. From the drop-down, select the type of file being generated. If the file is to be a statement of non-performance, then select that box. And if you would like the Social Security numbers masked, so only the last four display, then check that box. There is more information on all of this, especially the statement of non-performance, in the program's help. You will need to select your benefit type from the drop-down and possibly a payroll starting number. This number is applicable to all jobs if you use the All parameter in the job number field. If you want to process for a single job, then click the Refresh Jobs once and then select from the drop-down the desired job. Only those jobs flagged as certified in Sage 100 Contractor's payroll records for the pay period selected will display. Finally, browse to where you would like the output file or files saved. This location should default for you once you've selected it the first time. Then click the Generate button. A message will show indicating that processing has begun and when it has completed. Simply upload the appropriate files via your login to your state's site. That's all there is to it. We hope this has been helpful, and if you'd like to acquire this utility, feel free to contact us via email or phone, or place your order directly on our website. Thanks! We hope you have a terrific day.